Good evening, friends. In this part, I would be taking you through with another part, I would say, which is titled as Let Us Know More About Python, Part 1. And here, apart from knowing with respect to the founder of the Python programming language, we would like to know, who are the other collaborators who helped him out to move forward with the development of the programming language, Python, I would say. To what extent each one of them had contributed. Though I will not be going into the depth of it, however, I would like to go ahead and give you the introduction. So, first and foremost, the founder of Python is Guido van Rossum. Now, that's how he would like to be reciprocated. Now, Guido is his first name, Van is his I should say the family name, and Rossum is his surname. So that's how it goes. And this is the photograph for the person who founded the Python language. And it is very interesting to know the manner he came up with this particular programming language. Now, more about him. Let's see. He was born on January 31st, 1956. Now, he's from Netherlands, Dutch programmer. Now, author of the Python programming language. Now, he received the title to be as benevolent dictator for life, and that's why he is called as a short name. A nickname also is BDFL sometime. Now, he's a member, the founder member for the Python Steering Council, and I would be introducing very shortly about them also. Now, Python was named after the BBC TV show Monty Python's Flying Circus. Now, I was going through that and I understood why he was so much, obsessed by the word Python. And if some of you are interested, you can go ahead, you can Google about this particular BBC TV show. And I think, if I'm not wrong, it was in 60s that this was being telecasted on television, and you can see how funny it is and why he was so much, I would say, possessed and happy to take up the word Python also, and how Monty had come in. Now, these are the various ways. Now, it's not just like that I want you to do on go ahead and watch this particular show. However, just to see how the creativity works in certain individuals. Now, apart from this particular television serial, I want you to go through these websites also. Now, gvanrossum.github.io gives us, it is his personal blog, and you can see he has given you wonderful codes, history of Python programming language, and various stories which you can have a look at them. They are wonderful. I'll be taking you through that also. Now, http neopythonic.blogspot.com also gives us wonderful speech from his side on TEDx, and it is called as King's Day speech. You should see how honest, how transparent, and how down to earth kind of a person he is. You should also have a it's good to read the contents of it. Now, Python history blogspot.com gives us the entire history. Now, some of us might be interested to know how he came across with various progress or the stages for the language itself, and how useful it is to be used for some of the issues that we can really resolve. So, I think I'm going to stop here, and let me come up with yet another part wherein I'm going to showcase to you regarding some more details about the steering foundation or the steering console of Python itself. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.